is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's upload, we brought the C8 Corvette all the way out to Miami, Florida, and something absolutely unexpected happened. Can't wait to show you guys why we had to leave Miami, go all the way back to Texas with this thing. But before we get into it, I gotta remind you, you have just hours from right now left to get entered and to win this car. Today is the very last day to get entries. Go to itsjustasix.com, get anything like a t-shirt, a hat, a hoodie. You might be taking home the title and keys to our twin turbo Corvette plus $10,000 in cash. And again, it ends at midnight, so you definitely got to go grab entries before your chance is gone. But now, let's get into today's video all the way out in Miami.
Yeah, I got all the whips, it's like a dealership. I bet on my mama, all my exes even feeling this. Overcoming trauma, it ain't nothing, I was built for this. Over all the drama, don't forget.
Good morning. We are on our way back from Miami right now. Interesting trip.
Flashback.
I got in the car and for some reason now it's saying service traction control, rear axle system off, service ESC. Check engine lights flashing and it literally just almost stalled. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Good thing we got our buddies over at Boost District, because I'm gonna need some help diagnosing this one. I don't know anything about DCT transmissions. See, why if Chevy could have just had a fucking manual transmission like a real Corvette in this car, we wouldn't be having these problems.
Sounds like a cloud.
I made it all the way out here to our lovely Airbnb with the C8, but unfortunately, like you saw, it was having some issues. I called Roshan, I asked him what in the hell is going on with this thing. He claims that there is no way it could have broken the transmission at this power level. It's apparently not nearly enough power, so we got this code reader for $100 fucking, and we're gonna now see what's going on. Hopefully this will tell us something about why the rear end lights and all of this is on, like traction lights, check engine light, everything's going wrong. So the codes are injector voltage. Other than the injector, it looks like we got air temp misfire detected, cylinder 8 positive. So all of these look like misfire codes on cylinder 8. Why are we having misfire codes on cylinder 8? Okay, so cylinder 8 misfire, and also some kind of fuel injector. Injectors, where the fuck are they? Nowhere in sight. Okay, let's go ahead and try to reset them and see what that does. All right. Same thing. So just out of, honestly, just fear, I'm gonna check something back here. These LT2 engines do not like boosted applications that much. And I've tried clearing the codes a bunch. Apparently the transmission can't get hurt at that level, so we're gonna check the catch can. Catch can's clean, that's good. Basically, I just wanna check to see if we've hurt the engine. No, honestly, what the hell? Seems like it's probably okay.
End of flashback.
On our way back home at 6:50 a.m., we got pulled over by GSP, the Georgia State Patrol. Turns out he's a fan. I was super humbled by that. That was really cool. We get back on the highway. Next thing that I know, oh my God.
Where did it go?
The most fun part about this, I don't have a jack with me, so I gotta figure out how to get this axle off the ground to change out this spare tire. What even? The whole fender is gone. That's just nuts. The entire fender. Spare tire required.
My damn cinder block over here.
Yeah, that's saving our life. We've been stranded here for a long time. Y'all want to help me lift up the back of this one? Slip it a little bit. I'm slipping under here. Sorry for all that.
Yeah, I don't think he does. Yeah, oh.
Dude, that is so awesome. The GSP and a blowout in the same morning before 8 a.m.? Hell yeah. Thank you, guys. Now, obviously, the Corvette had some kind of random issue, despite us bringing it all the way down to Miami to shoot a bunch of content. But luckily, our good friends at Boost District are gonna help us out. Stay tuned. But before we head over to Texas, I gotta tell you about today's video sponsor, Golden Nugget Online Casino. Golden Nugget has thousands of real money games, including blackjack, slides, live dealer, and roulette, allowing for the Vegas experience at home, in the car, or on a flight, literally anywhere. Thrilling jackpots on thousands of games are available on the app, but Huff and More Puff is my favorite, and just like this Corvette here, it is a ton of fun. This and many other games are waiting for you on the Golden Nugget app, so go download the app for free and use the code IT'sJusta, because new players are going to get 500 spins on my favorite game, Huff and More Puff. Again, guys, go download the app and use the code IT'sJusta, because you're gonna get 50 spins per day for 10 days on Huff and More Puff. But now, guys, huge thanks to Golden Nugget for sponsoring today's video, but let's get back into it and head to Texas.
I pull a dress on like a hurricane rain.
2 days later.
The trailer now just has no power at all. Why is it always something? Now the trailer just isn't even turning on? We're jumping it right now, and the winch is lowering.
Yay.
Life is very complicated, but that's no reason to quit. We back. Got a
What
new
a battery.
This one, the Duracell? Got the Duracell, about to slap it in there. Oh, they also found out what was wrong with the car and fixed it already.
I'm gonna send you a video. There's a rat that ate a little shape of the harness.
Okay,
I'll
that
show it
makes
to you.
sense.
I have the
Yeah.
harness. And then on the other side, they've already started chipping through.
What?
Yeah, there's
the
one
heck?
harness that's a little shape, just a little.
Yeah.
But it's already started.
Dang.
So it was
I was hungry.
Yeah. And then since the one shaped and shorted out, we had to replace that injector too.
Okay, that makes sense.
So,
Cool deal.
but besides that, it was pretty simple. We also changed the plugs and wires because misfiring it will foul out. You might
Yeah.
as well do it so you don't have to deal with it.
Well, thank you so
Yeah, no
much. I
problem.
appreciate that.
Yeah, man.
Hell yeah. Thank
Anytime,
you, thank
anytime.
you.
I'm gonna go look at that
That's
AC.
cool. Okay,
Yeah,
I
I'll tell the
appreciate
guys to
you.
work on it.
Awesome, thank you, sir.
Right?
Yay.
Woo! We got AC in the car. Turns out that rats have ruined our day for sure. Apparently these rats got hungry. They came into right below the intake manifold and started munching on these back injector wires. Shorted out an injector, but everything's replaced and good to go. It appears even with our new battery that we're still having the issue. Almost as if it wasn't a battery issue.
I want to show you what happened here. So the damage is caused by these pesky rats. You can see, show you the camera. Look at that. Exposed wire. They actually started chewing on this already. As you can see right there. And it just starts. It's just getting started, okay? That's one harness. That's the one side that I replaced when we looked at it. And look at this one. That's one. This is good. They don't like green wires, I guess. This is another one. You can see they already start chewing that up. And then we got this one that was already getting chewed up. And then this one. Look, you can see like it's chafed. They chewed that all the way through.
That's so weird.
Yeah, and that's crazy. This is all underneath the intake manifold. They always go for the hard stuff, hidden, you know. So they don't go for the easy stuff like the transmission harness or anything like that. They want. I don't know. That's weird. But at least it's a sub harness. You can literally just disconnect it and connect it, and it's done.
That's nice. Yeah, that is really, really
The
cool.
pain in the ass is just taking it all apart and finding it, you know.
Yeah.
But luckily we have all the. This is the beautiful thing about working with the stock ECUs. You know, if you have a problem, you have a code for that problem.
That's fair.
So we were
Yeah.
easy. It was easy to diagnose.
Yeah, that's
and
true.
a lot of these hacked up
They
cars.
say
that puts-
cylinder 8, so I guess that's
exactly.
helpful, yeah.
A lot of these hacked up cars that put spiggy back and stuff like that, you can't really easily diagnose that.
Yeah, that's fair. I can see that.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Yep.
That's cool.
Anyways, go take it for a drive and verify.
Okay, thank
Have
you.
fun.
Thank you,
Yes, sir. Have fun.
Got AC in here, and it's running. All right. Definitely looks like that injector harness was for sure the issue. And I kind of guessed that in a way whenever we were in Miami. So, pretty cool. Got it all going good. It's working. Working pretty good. All right, cool. A little bit of tweaks is all it needed. thing sounds mean. So I guess we can go to Atlanta.
Bye.
Could have been way worse for sure. I'm a bad influence. Apparently we're about to go out and go street racing now that the Corvette's fixed. We're just gonna go test it out. So he doesn't typically do stuff like this, but he was nice enough to take his giveaway car, which again you guys can win. But we're gonna go take it out and see how it stacks up against the twin turbo Vette. Only a few hours. We're here in Texas. Yeah, it's not that far to Mexico. Yeah, we're gonna go. He's got a lot to take care of here at the shop, of course, but we're about to find out which is faster. Man, what y'all doing with this thing? Y'all ain't putting nitrous on it before we go race, huh?
No, I wouldn't do that.
You wouldn't do
We're
that.
honorable guys.
Yeah. Oh, they're cocky too. Look at the GoPro facing backwards. Oh. This is a supercharged PPV. This car is insane. I'd love to see under the hood. It still looks the same under the hood.
It looks a little different. Big surprise.
A new reason for people to enter this one?
Of course, a good reason to enter actually.
Okay.
Makes it makes 100 horsepower more than the last time you saw it.
Oh god,
Yes.
that's great.
It
We're gonna
gives it
get
all the
gapped.
reasons to be fun and gnarly.
How much power does it actually make now?
It makes 750 wheel now,
Oh my.
and that's still turned down. You know, like we want people to win this and drive it responsibly, but obviously they'll have a party pool if they
Goodness.
want it more.
A party pulley. I like that. That's a funny term.
We'll give them the choice, you know.
The party pulley.
I just want to feel in good conscience when this car goes.
Oh no way, dude. That's so crazy. Yeah, it definitely didn't look like that last time
No,
I
it
saw
looks
it.
nice.
What?
It looks girthy.
A 3 liter?
Yep, 3 liter,
Oh my gosh.
and it sounds amazing.
I like the little badging up there too.
Yes.
That's nice. Good work with that.
Thank you.
That's really beautiful.
Yeah, this is a new kit that we're going to be starting selling on our website. So we're testing it in this car, getting all the data that we need for it, and then we're going to be posting it on the website as soon as everything else is finished.
Okay,
Yep.
that's really awesome. Oh yeah. Well, go to boostdistrict.com. You technically could be taking this car home. Coming up very soon. Y'all's is the day after mine.
Yes, July 18th.
Damn. We're coming up on just days away. That's
I
insane.
know.
We're gonna get gapped. We're getting beat.
For the wire that's
Beat,
right
beat.
next to the tensioner.
Like a dead horse.
So I know for a fact from a roll, it'll be a good race. From a dig, you'll handle it no problem.
Okay.
I feel like you'll have business covered there. So
Well, worst case, if we're getting beat too bad, we'll have to do it from a dig to make it fair.
yes,
At least one.
you guys can figure that out if there's roads in Mexico for it.
Oh, I'm sure there's plenty of good roads in Mexico. All right, well, we verified everything on the car is finally back working right. So now we got to go test it out. See what it's going to stack up like against the Whipple supercharged PPV making 750 wheel horsepower. That's almost not even fair, but all right. I've never backed down from no race. Mama ain't raised no hood's nussy. Now what the hell is that? That thing looks a little bit faster than these Corvettes. What the fuck is going on here? That one looks fast. I've learned that whenever Mustangs are on a beadlock drag wheel, they're pretty fucking quick. All right, well, the Boost District Whipple car, oh my God, that's so funny. Versus the It's Just a 6 giveaway car. I guess we'll see whether theirs or ours is faster. This is gonna be cool.
Just gonna pull over on the side of the road and get us set.
Oh, whoa. All the way out here in Mexico, baby. We got the spotter truck going ahead of us to watch out for the Mexican Federales. Definitely don't want to have any confrontation with them today. Despite the rat ruining our time in Miami, at least we got to come back to Dallas and race. Last time we were here, we didn't even get the race. Nobody wanted to race. I had the GT350 and everything out here. Everybody was backing out. Everybody was checking shit. All these fast cars making 1,000 horsepower wanted to race the 600 horsepower freaking C8, but nobody wanted to touch the 350. Ooh. Ooh. Whipple supercharger, twin turbos. That's actually a really cool race, to be honest. Ooh, we were gone. They were spinning. Spinning? Yo, I figured. You gonna do a burnout? Oh my God, that was so ridiculous. Damn. We go. Oh yeah, we are. This car is fast. Oh my gosh. Still spinning? That's what I figured. Yeah. Damn. Well, what do you want to try? You want to come back that way and try again?
Yeah, we get it again.
All right, you go ahead.
Hey, if I can't grab, we'll just get what it is.
Yeah, we'll just, I'll just be the winner, that's it. I'm just playing, I'm playing. He didn't like that joke. Technical difficulties, disqualified. We do have an engine sitting on top of our rear wheels that are spinning, so to be fair, we have a little bit of traction advantage. That's pretty wild to see that we're on a street tire though, and they're on a full drag tire, and we are still just right away from them. They thought they were gonna cheat me. They thought they were gonna get a Whipple on there and beat me on video. They didn't know they counteracted themselves. Now they're making too much power to damn hook. Uh-oh, that thing was smoking a good bit there. Bueno? Oh, y'all need any help with the, I guess the line came off or what?
I mean, it seems like all the lines are on. There's fluid everywhere. The reservoir was tipped on its side.
Oh.
It came off the bracket.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I saw a little bit of smoke back there.
I don't know if that's the reason we can't hook or not, but literally, dude, I couldn't do the fucking place.
Well, it's fast, I can tell you that. It's spinning like crazy.
Well, that's all I was trying.
Here you go. A little bit right there too.
Tried to start faster and it's still, that last one was what, right at 50?
Yeah.
It was blowing them off. Gauge showed them.
Damn. Yeah, it was eating. Allegedly. Well, by technicality, the Corvette has claimed its second victory. Quite beautiful. Can't believe this is a giveaway car and it is just gapping foos left and right. This is easily a 10-second car at this point. I'm very, very satisfied with it. That is crazy. You guys got to go check out Boost District. Huge thanks to those guys for getting everything fixed up after our rat problem. Back to the shop we go. I mean, I can't make it up if I wanted to. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing wrong, but somehow we just had another blowout. And even more cool, oh good. Oh yeah, good. Hey, at least the car is protected, you know, that's what really matters. What is even crazier, we just had a blowout, so I didn't even get a freaking spare tire put on the spare. I don't even have a way to fix it again. And I don't even have a jack with me. So, dude, lessons are being learned for sure. Yeah, lessons are definitely being learned right now. Allegedly, we found 2 tires in stock. They're gonna come here and hand mount them on the spot. I hope this is legit. Finally. Hey, they're real. What's up, man? How are you? Nice to see you. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you. Not a problem.
So that one did.
Yeah, this one did, but it took a fender with it, but luckily the car didn't get hit. Let's go, dude. I've never seen the mobile service. 2 new tires, good to go. Hell yeah, dude. I don't know what I was expecting, but hey, I'm excited to see it by hand. I thought it was gonna be like a little tire machine, but you are the tire machine.
Yeah.
All right, I see it. Okay. Oh yeah, nice. Now you can just use the other tire iron and work it around.
Yep.
That's cool. Oh yeah. Damn. Okay. Nice work. That's pretty cool. Damn, you're a pro. What a scene. Just having a good old time. Just posting TikToks. If you're not following me on TikTok, what are you doing? Chilling here, posting Snapchat. If you're not following me on Snapchat, the fuck? I appreciate your time, man. Seriously, you're saving us right now a whole lot.
No, not a problem, brother. Here's your second tire.
All good to go? Oh yeah, thank you. Finally, good to go. 2 tires, ready to make a trip. Yeah. Thank you so much. And as you can see, we finally made it back home, ready to call one of you guys to win this C8 Corvette. So go to itsjust6.com, grab entries, and next video, we've got a lot of upgrades to do to our hauler back there, plus the trailer. Anyway, I'm just happy to have the Corvette back going again and perfectly fine, ready for one of you guys to take it home. So with that being said, grab entries, good luck, and I'll see you guys next upload.